I would recommend CodeDistrict to work with anybody who's looking for an outstanding contracting software team. Not only can they help you with your ideas, they can help you with the implementation and the rollout. Yeah, I'm Patrick McGuire. I'm the IT director at the Barett Value Center. We've had the fortunate time of working with CodeDistrict, an amazing team who has helped us shape this application into a robust system that's intuitive and integrated across all the different domain objects that we have at Barett. Not only that, they're helping us think through how we can logically group these things together for the future that supports our future plans into 2024 and beyond. The problems we were trying to solve is, one, during COVID, we lost a number of our staff, both from the IT department and from our business side. So we lost a lot of our business process knowledge, our domain experts, and our capacity to deliver. So what CodeDistrict has done is they've brought in a team that not only helped us from idea all the way through delivery, they've been a fun group of people to work with as well. So like I said, we lost a lot of our subject matter experts around our business processes. So we spent a lot of time working with CodeDistrict, going through a discovery phase. And during this discovery phase, we really were able to capture the real needs of the organization and build exactly what was needed. We debrided the old stuff. We got rid of the junk that was no longer serving us. And we're building the system in a way that's going to support us and our future processes going on into the future. Yeah, the discovery process was definitely on point. And a couple of things that stood out for me is, one, we weren't 100% sure of all of our logical buckets. What were we calling everything? We knew roughly, we had this feeling of what we needed, but how do we define these things in a really intuitive way that we can build a software solution around it? So that was one thing that stood out. The other thing that stood out was sometimes we thought we had clearly defined something that was well enough for a developer to go and implement. So there was this refinement process as well to turn these ideas not only into an idea, but something that actually can be built. And that was a huge problem for us because we had our IT team and then we had our business-facing team. Customer-facing team has a job to do for most of their day, and so having to take their time out to do design work, and when I say design work, I mean, user interfaces, database tables. These employees of ours don't do that normal type of work, so it wasn't coming natural to them. So CodeDistrict provided this element to us through business analysts, and it's been great since. So what initially stood out was just the professionalism of the team, the professionalism of what they offered, and the holistic nature of it all. It wasn't just we can help you refine your ideas. It was, no, we can take you from the beginning of your idea all the way down to the delivery. So that's what stood out at the beginning. What stood out along the way is the level of commitment and hard work and competence, really. The ability to think through difficult topics and turn them into ideas. And thirdly is the commitment. Some of these guys have been on this team for 2 years now and have provided a tremendous amount of sacrifice and time into this. And so we're definitely deeply appreciative of all those team members. The benefits that I see going forward is that one gets the IT team out of the way of our business users. So the system's more configurable, so they'll be able to pull the appropriate levers to make the system do what they want to do instead of having to get on the engineering schedule. And then the second thing that the system is going to do is it's going to give our consultants the ability to do more of the work themselves. And so that gets our internal users out of the way of our consultants so that they can do the work they want to do without having to wait to contact a BBC employee just to set up to press a button for them, basically. I would recommend CodeDistrict to work with anybody who's looking for an outstanding contracting software team. Not only can they help you with your ideas, they can help you with the implementation and the rollout.